Guys and gals, who says you can't get jacked, stay jacked, get ripped, stay ripped, get big and get big, stay big at home? A lot of people say that. A lot of people think you have to go to the gym for this, but you don't. It's nicer, and there's a lot of positives to the gym. But if you can't go to the gym, you can get jacked, get healthy, stay fit, all that stuff at home. Well, I'm at home. This is my home. There's my daughters watching TV. This here is my gym. This is my gym. My 4-post bed. That's my gym. That's the best gym. My daughters are around. Stop it. Stop that. Don't go there. We can talk about that part later. But a 4-post bed is phenomenal for working out. This is my home gym, guys. So check it out. I am going to show you all about how I stay ripped, lean. I don't know. I don't want to put words in my mouth. Your mouth. I don't want to put anything in your mouth. Holy crap. You're going to learn a lot about me. I have 6 kids. So you can tell what I like to do in my free time. I'm also kind of inappropriate, but not around my kids. Okay, so not around my kids. So moving on. You guys have kids? Do you watch Bluey? Guys, this show is freaking phenomenal. This is hilarious. I would say the only 3 shows that I've enjoyed that my kids watched would be Backyardigans. Number 1, Backyardigans. That's a great show. Great music, terrific writing. Second, Phineas and Ferb. Phineas and Ferb, right, girls? We like Phineas and Ferb. Phineas and Ferb is a hilarious show. And then, come on, camera. Come on. Man, this is a Canon EOS R. It's supposed to focus better. All right. And then, where was I? I have ADHD and a brain injury, guys and gals, by the way, if you didn't know by now. Bluey. It's right there in front of me. Backyardigans, Phineas and Ferb, and Bluey. Those are my 3 favorite shows that the kids watch. And I've got 6 kids, and we've been watching kids shows for a long time. It's like I watched kids shows as a kid, and then I had kids, and I've just been watching kids shows my whole life. There's my life. All right, let's get to home workouts. Home workouts, y'all. Let's do it. So I'm totally using the wrong lens for this, guys and gals. Sorry, but it's what I had on the camera for something else, and so I'm keeping it. So the monkey foot is pretty awesome. Actually, monkey feet, monkey foot. It's pretty great, actually. If you haven't seen the advertisements for it, you can put your dumbbell in there and do a lot of leg movements. It's great for the hip flexors. It's great for the quads, the hamstrings at home. It is a really great product. I'll do another video on a review for Monkey Foot, the Monkey Foot by Monkey Feet. Actually, it's by Animal House. Yeah, that's funny. Bluey, oh, that's good. Oh, and I got my hook out there because I'm always in pain. All right, got a mirror here for working out so that I can always, admire myself while I'm working out. You know what I mean? Got a little. Remember, I'm just coming out of Spinal Fusion. I got to get rid of some of this stuff here. So this is kind of my introduction to you guys, just so you know I'm going to be doing a little video series about workouts from home. My workouts from home for the past year have been with resistance bands. I do have a bench at my office, which is at my shop, and we do go there every so often. My kids like to hit the bench a little bit, but most of my workouts, actually for over the past year, a year and a half, have been at home with resistance bands. I've actually had 3 resistance bands snap on me. 2 of them have whacked my body. 1 of them impaled me so badly that it's left me with a permanent scar. If I can find a picture of it, I'll show it to you right now. Probably like over here, But resistance bands are phenomenal. You just have to understand they do expire. Keep an eye on them. And, they do rip, and it will hurt if you have one rip on you. Guys and gals, home workouts can be even better than gym workouts because you can do everything at your own pace. There's no waiting for anybody else. And the exercises that you can do are endless, especially with resistance bands in a doorway, in the door jamb, on a big heavy table, or on a 4-post bed. Now, honestly, all kidding aside, a 4-post bed is perfect for your home workouts. And it has honestly been phenomenal. I mean, you know, seriously, for many reasons. Having a headboard like that really is pretty awesome. Seriously. So if you haven't experienced, you know, your spare time with a 4-post bed, you really need to. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to start you guys with some basic workouts. I'm wondering how I should do this. Should I do a full body workout routine in one video, or should I break it up into body parts? Let me know in the comments section what you think I should do, what you want to see, and how you can work out along with me, because I want everybody out there to start doing something today, now, okay? I am 5 months exactly since my spinal fusion. And it's been a really hard journey, but I have been able to get myself back in shape, for the most part, here at home. You can too. Now, check out my other channel here, Heal and Overcome, and I discuss some other things. But working out from home is really, really beneficial, and I want each and every one of you to find a way to start. We have a pandemic on our hands. It is not the C word. You know what I mean, the C thing, right? You know what I mean, right? I can't say it because then I get demonetized on YouTube. The pandemic is... I don't want to use words that offend all you people. I don't believe in this whole offending thing, but I don't want to use words that offend my lovely viewers out there. I love you guys. I love you all. But we have a pandemic. In America especially, we've got to get healthy. We've got to get healthy. I'm going to leave it at that. Let's get healthy, y'all. 5 months since the spinal fusion. Let's get going. Stay tuned. Hit me up with some comments. Let me know what you want to see. I miss hearing from you guys because I've been so busy and a lot's going on, okay? We're selling the house. We're getting ready to move. I've got so much going on, but I also have some big news. We got some new partnerships. Take a look at this video here. I'm really excited to work with Passload. They're one of my favorite tool companies, along with Milwaukee and Makita, DeWalt, Craftsman. I actually love a lot of tool companies. I've got some more clothing and shoe reviews coming out for you, and and something big in the works. You're gonna want to stay tuned for that. I just wrapped up a big project with DuPont. It's pretty cool, actually. My entire family was involved in it. It was such an amazing experience. I'm going to give you a couple teasers here. But this project is very special because the director and producer that I got to work with were really phenomenal. Now, I don't know how many of you know this, but I've been in the entertainment industry for most of my life. I was a model, actor, and musician for many years. Then I went into production, music production, and I was an engineer and producer. But I've done a lot of modeling and acting in my life, and this is by far one of my favorite projects I've ever done in my whole life. And that was really because of the team and the crew that I got to work with. Guys and gals, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's get big. Let's get small. Let's get whatever you want to get to. Let's get there together. Love you all. Hope you're doing well. Praying for you. God bless.